Second standard Environmental Science, Term First, Unit 3, Plants Around Us. Plants around us. Parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. Group of students went on a field visit to a garden. Group of students went on a field visit to a garden. Meena looked at a sapling closely and asked her teacher. Meena looked at a sapling closely and asked her teacher. One part of this plant is green while the other part is brown in color. Why is it so, teacher? The teacher explained. The teacher explained. Our body has different parts such as hands, legs, and head. In the same way, plants also have different parts. They are of different colors. Let us learn about them. Let us discuss. Every plant has a root and a shoot system. Every plant has a root and a shoot system. Root system, the part of the plant that grows under the ground is called the root system. The part of the plant that grows under the ground is called the root system. Shoot system, the part of the plant that grows above the ground is called the shoot system. It consists of stem, leaf, flower, and fruit. Firstly, we learn about leaf. Grows from the stem. Leaf grows from the stem. Most are green in color. Makes food for the plant. Flower. Flower. Attractive, colorful. Grows from a bud. Grows from a bud. Has a specific smell. Attracts birds and insects. Attracts birds and insects. The next one, fruit. Develops from the flower. Develops from the flower. Some have seeds. Most plants grow from seeds. Stem. Main part of the shoot system. Stem. Main part of the shoot system. Gives support. Next, root. Root. Root fixes the plant in the soil. Fixes the plant in the soil. Plants are of different kinds. Plants are of different kinds. They can be grouped. They can be grouped based on the size and nature of their stems. They can be grouped based on the size and nature of their stems. Plants, herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers, trees. Plants or plants were kept under many varieties. Herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers, trees. Herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers, trees. Herbs. Herbs are small plants with thin and soft stems. Most of them live for a few months only. For example, mint, coriander, grass. Herbs are small plants with thin and soft stems. Most of them live for few months only. For example, mint, coriander, grass, pudina, kottamalli, pull. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Yes, shrubs are smaller than trees. They have many stems that grow close to the ground. The stems are thin and hard. Shrubs live for several years. For example, shoe flower, shoe flower is the correct pronunciation. Shoe flower, chambarti, oleander, arali, jasmine, malligai, jasmine, malligai. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have many stems that grow close to the ground. The stems are thin and hard. Shrubs live for several years. For example, shoe flower, oleander, jasmine. Shoe flower, oleander, jasmine, chambarti, arali, malligai. Climbers. Climbers have weak stems and they need support to climb and grow. Some of them live for a few months only. For example, broad beans, snake gourd, ridge gourd. Broad beans, avarai, snake gourd, pudalangai, ridge gourd, pirkangai. Next, we will see creepers. Creepers are plants that have weak stems. They have weak stems. They growing along the ground and bear large and heavy fruits. Many of them live for a few months only. For example, pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon. Pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon. Pumpkin, పూసణికాయ్. Watermelon, తర్పూసణి. Watermelon, తర్పూసణి. Muskmelon, ములాంబళం. And we learn about trees. Yes, trees, big and tall plants are called trees. Big and tall plants called trees. They have hard and thick woody stems called trunks. Trees have many branches. They live for many years. For example, banyan tree, coconut tree, mango tree. Banyan tree, coconut tree, mango tree. This is a banyan tree, and this one is coconut tree. This is mango tree. Banyan tree, alamaram. Coconut tree, tennai maram. Mango tree, maamaram. Let us discuss some foods. We get vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, spices, oil and medicines from trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. There are benefits of plants. There are benefits of plants. Some vegetables below here. Vegetables: lady's finger, devil's fig, bottle gourd. Lady's finger, வெண்டைக்காய். Lady's finger was using as a lubricant of our bone joints. Yes, lady's finger gives lubricants, oil for our joints of bones. Devil's fig, chundaikai. Devil's fig, chundaikai, cheriyakaai. Devil's fig, dry devil's fig, using for to save our heart. Devil's fig, dry devil's fig is using for to save our heart. Bottle gourd. The next one, bottle gourd, suraikai. Bottle gourd gives coolness for our body. They have more water power. Fruits: pomegranate, grapes, jackfruit. Pomegranate, grapes, jackfruit. Pomegranate, மாதுளை. Pomegranate gives more red blood cells. Yes, pomegranate creates red blood cells. Grapes, grapes, திராட்சை, grapes, திராட்சை, grapes, திராட்சை. It gives coolness of us. Gives coolness of us. Jackfruit. Jackfruit have many more strength to us. Jackfruit. Palapalam. The next one we learn about cereals and pulses. Cereals and pulses. We are using for food rice, wheat, red gram split. Rice, wheat, red gram split. அரிசி, கோதுமை, துவரம் பருப்பு. Red gram split, துவரம் பருப்பு. These are our food. Yes, these are Tamilian food. Spices. Spices. Bay leaves, cardamom, pepper. Bay leaves, cardamom, pepper. Bay leaves, biryani ilai. Cardamom, ஏலக்காய். Pepper, மிளகு. Pepper struggles against coronavirus. Pepper struggles against coronavirus. Yes, that is fact. Next, oils. Next, oils. Coconut oil, castor oil, groundnut oil. Coconut oil, castor oil, groundnut oil. Coconut oil, தேங்காய் எண்ணெய். Castor oil, ஆமணக்கு எண்ணெய். Groundnut oil, கடலை எண்ணெய். These are using our daily life for our food preparing. Thank you, children. Some medicinal plants. We learn about some medicinal plants. What is this? Medicines. Stonebreaker, climbing brinjal, eucalyptus. Stonebreaker, கீழாநெல்லி. Stonebreaker against the disease of liver. It calls jaundice. Stonebreaker using against jaundice. Climbing brinjal, தூதுவளை. Climbing brinjal, தூதுவளை. Climbing brinjal using for throat problems. Eucalyptus, Thailamaram. As cosmetics, henna, Marudani, soap pack, Sikakai, aloe vera, Kathalai, henna, Marudani, soap bar, Sikakai, aloe vera, Kathalai. As household things, palm leaves are used to make boxes, baskets, and hand fans. Bamboo use Bamboo is used to make paper, chairs, and windows. And windows. Palm tree gives palm leaf box, hand fan. Bamboo gives window and chair. As ornamental plants. Ornamental plants. அழகு செடிகள். Rose, croton, cactus. Rose, croton, cactus. Other benefits of plants. We use different parts of the plants in many other ways. Let us talk about it. As fiber. As fiber. The thread-like structure taken from a plant is called a fiber. Fibers are used for making ropes and cloth. We use ropes and cloth in many ways. As plates for eating. As plates for eating. Plantain leaf. Fiber. Areca plate. Areca plate. Paku mattai. Paku mattai. As timber. As timber. Teak wood. Teak wood. Neem wood. Door made from wood. Door made from teak wood, neem wood. The thick trunks of some trees are used for making doors, windows, tables, and chairs and things. Thank you, children. Thank you. Yes, children. Now we learned about plants around us and many new words called vocabulary. We learned many new words from this lesson. Plants around us. Thank you, children. Thank you very much.